if you want to get involved in this struggle, we must be able to trust you that your A is your A. It's not when we send you to Abidjan, you start going to Ouagadougou. It's not when we send you to go and meet our brothers in Germany, you will take another flight and go to London and stay. It's not when we send you to the United States to go to the UN, you will now go to the UN and do something else that you were not sent to do. So, this is why it is critical. Another reason why we must bring in the God factor and righteousness, integrity in this struggle is because it has been proved beyond reasonable doubt that Biafrans and the Jews in Palestine are not just spiritual relations, but biological relations, as a matter of fact. Abraham is what we call Idiom in this clan. The word Chineke is a Hebrew word, which means chai, or chi, chai, C-H-A-I, and neke,